Now, many of you know that each and every week on Tuesday, we get to see the insurance registration coming from some of our favorite EV stocks like Nio. And this coming week on Tuesday, it will be very interesting because last week Tuesday, or this past week Tuesday, we saw Nio producing total insurance registrations of 5,700, and this was combined for both Nio and ONVO. So this coming week's Tuesday will be interesting because this is the very first full week where we are seeing Nio and ONVO delivering their models, and so many of the investors, I'm sure they are wondering how many vehicles are we going to get, which I still maintain that we are going to see a minimum of 5,000. We are going to get over 5,000 insurance registrations coming from both Nio and ONVO. And I base this because the demand for ONVO, it's always there, and therefore the over 1,000 that we are going to see, that we've been seeing, we are going to continue seeing. With Nio also, I think the over 4,000 that we've been seeing, we are going to continue seeing, which that will result into the plus 5,000 that we might get this upcoming week. Nio is a company that is doing very well in terms of deliveries, and though insurance registrations don't actually reflect the actual sales, but they give a guidance on what to expect towards the end of the month. They give a guidance on where Nio could be at the end of the month, right, when they announce their deliveries officially. So they are important, or they are quite important, because even some of the big financial institutions, they are using these deliveries, insurance registrations, to project or to make a prediction of the kind of deliveries they are expecting Nio to deliver, which is something that's good because we are able to populate and know if whether we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, or we are going to get a good report or bad report. So insurance registrations are important, and I think we need to brace ourselves for Tuesday and see how Nio performs. But the good thing is that quite a number of people now are expecting this month ONVO to sell 7,000 and 8,000, whilst Nio is projected to sell over 17,000. And I think that is realistic because the total there, you are looking around 24,000-25,000, depending on how many Nio. If ONVO sells 8,000, then we are going to get plus 25,000. If ONVO sells 7,000, then we are going to get plus 24,000. And I tell you, this is what we need into the Nio as new investors. If we get any number, in fact 25,000 plus, then it's lights out, man, for this stock, because the Nio would be proving to us that they are different from the kind of company we knew them. ONVO is doing well, and we are to expect more great things coming from the sub-brand. This is how will tell us if Nio is to produce these total deliveries by the end of the month. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. What's your prediction for the month of November? I'm gonna say 25,000. This is my prediction for this month, and hopefully Nio gets it and we don't get to be disappointed, because though Nio sold over 20,000 or almost 21,000 deliveries for November, us as investors were expecting 25,000, which maybe were expected too much too soon. So let's wait, let's see how it unfolds. Insurance registrations will be guiding us, and I'll be giving you that report every time we get it from either Leodo or CNF Post, which will tell us when it's headed. But one thing you must know is that even if maybe we don't get 24 or 25, or we get 23, it will not be the end of the world, right? I think we need to give Nio an opportunity to ramp up production, but 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 it is quite reasonable, looking at the fact that Nio wants to sell 10,000 in December. So we just need to brace ourselves to what's coming, because yes, insurance registrations, they will be giving us the guidance, but the ultimate result, it is the one that Nio announced at the beginning of each month, which this month, the first, or next month, the 1st of December, will be coming on a Sunday, which we don't know if we'll get the numbers or not, but as soon as we get them, I'll give them to you. But we look forward to those deliveries. 20th of November, Nio this month is going to give us their Q3 earnings, and they're going to issue the guidance for Q4, which will tell us in terms of the number of vehicles Nio intends on selling or plans to sell, which is something that we look forward to. Also that, and as it will give us a hint of what we might expect from Nio and ONVO. So do your own DD, man. Long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.